loves, so today we're going to play with the new Carmi Make Magic palette from Revolution and Carmi, of course. I adore him. This palette is beautiful. I have used it a few times. I wore this palette the other day and I posted a picture on Instagram, and Revolution actually reposted it. So I think I'm going to do something similar to the look that I had the other day just because I really did like it, and there's not a tutorial on it yet. It is similar to tutorials I've done in the past, but it's been a long time, and this palette is brand new. But we will play with it. We will see what we come up with. If you are new, welcome. Please subscribe. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, let's do this. You guys, this palette is just so crazy beautiful. I can't get over it. We are going to start with this guy right here. Addicted. I love a yellowy brown, a poop brown. I'm feeling it. I'm all about it. So we're just going to pop that into the crease and blend upwards. These are so good. Shadows are so good. Like, I feel like that just blended out so easy, so fast, so much pigment. I don't know, I'm just feeling this palette, you guys. Okay, we're gonna take that same shade on the lower lash line as well. I'm gonna kind of really blow it out. I bring it down lower than I would. I usually, if I want it to be a pretty dramatic look, I'll do the little squint thing and wear my natural little creases. I know there's a name for it. One of you guys told me once, but I don't remember what it is. But I'm just gonna take it kind of down into that crease. Right down in here. So like that's like the lowest I'll usually go, is blending it out right into that crease. Okay, the next shade we're going to use is You Do You. This is the most beautiful, deep, kind of berry brown. Oh, it's so pretty. And we're just going to place that like in the outer V out here and then kind of blend it inwards. I haven't decided if I'm going to do another cut crease or not, but anyway, we're just going to blend. Tiny little blender brush. It's a BH Studio Pro number 17. It's tiny and I love it. If you have small lids, yes, you will love it too. And I'm just taking that same shade just right on the outer corner, probably a third in of the lower lash line, just so it's all connected. All right, guys, I'm going to use a little bit of the cut crease canvas. This is the cut crease canvas from Revolution. I'm going to use this to cut my crease. How I like to use this is I like to put it on the back of my hand. Just, that's way more than I even need. I'm just going to tap it on my lids. Look up, and I've created where I want my cut crease to be. Alright, so I'm going to start by putting You Got This on the lid, and I kind of want to put a little bit of Moneymaker as well, which is the gold. This guy and this guy. It's not really picking up on a brush, so maybe I do need to use my fingertip. I was hoping I could use it wet and it would stay better. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my fingertip. So pretty, look at that. Isn't that crazy? There's so many shades that are similar to this on the market, but I honestly think this might be like my favorite version of it ever. The amount of shine and the amount of duochrome is just, whoo girl. I'm just gonna go back and blend the edges a little bit. I'm trying to decide if I want to put the gold on the inner corner or if I want to kind of put it on the center of the lid. I think I'm just gonna kind of tap it all over. I'm just gonna use a very small amount. Oh, that's pretty. So just give it a little bit of gold, just a tiny bit. And this one, when you use it like that, it just kind of appears like a glitter. Ooh. I want to deepen the outer corner a little bit, so I think I'm going to mix Dark Side with You Do You. Just so we kind of keep that red brown out here, but it's a little darker. There we go. Okay, so I think first I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black to create the wing. And then I'm going to go back over it with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner just because this really covers glitter. And I know that when I just used this last time, I did get a little bit of transferring. So I just want to... It didn't even look bad. It just made the liner kind of metallic. But I kind of want a really just like matte black line. So I'm going to go ahead and do my wing and go from there. You'll see what I'm doing. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Those are some wings. Oh my goodness. You know when you just like, you mess up and you just keep going? You just keep going. Yeah, those are the wings I've got today. They're totally wonky, but like it's okay. All right, I'm going to pop on some mascara and some lashes. Let me pick out my lashes. And I'm not sure if these are even available anymore, but these are the Flutter lashes in Slayla. I don't know if they are available. If they're not, I'm sorry, but I did just check and I know that they have multiple styles that are similar to these. If you just go on their website and you look up Slayla, you'll get a few that look just like them. There's Captivating, Lovable. I don't know, but here's what they look like. They're so fluffy and pretty. So I'm gonna pop these on and be right back. All right, so those are on. I'm gonna pop into the Imogenation and Revolution Highlight to the Moon palette. We're gonna go in with this white shade right here, just on the inner corner. There wasn't a super pale white frosty shade in the Carmi palette, and I just love having a really bright inner corner. There we go. This is the Ciate Glitter Flip in Undressed. Okay, loves, I'm gonna spray my face with the Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Setting Spray. I haven't even used this one as an actual setting spray. I've used it on like a brush to apply glitter and stuff like that, but not as an actual setting spray. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it'll just keep the glow on and minimize shine. All right, love, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am loving this palette. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. It's just so good, you guys. All of these shades at the top are all sort of like shimmers, like ultra metallic shimmers and glitters. I'm just in love. Of course, I'm like instantly drawn to this because I just love shades like that. I just do. But I'm living for it. I need to try other looks in this palette. I've used a few other shades, but honestly, I've just been like addicted to wearing this eye look. Something about the blue brown with the mustardy yellow is just, I just love it. I love mixing warm and cool. I love just like pairing colors together that you don't see all the time. You completely killed it. It's beautiful. Yes. So beautiful. Congratulations, Carmi. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, loves, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on my channel. Let me know what type of look you want to see next. I would love any sort of input. I know the tutorials don't really do that well on anyone's channel these days unless they're like a real YouTuber. I would love your input on what kind of looks you want to see so that I am at least putting the content out there that you guys want to see. I do like to do looks that I really do enjoy though, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. We'll work it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Posted a tutorial. What? There are so many like blue browns, maroon browns, plum blues. Wait, what am I saying? There are so many shades that are kind of similar. Bleh. I've used a few of the... Wow.